Hi, and welcome back to Jog with Miss Sue. Now, today we are going to talk about the different types of tourism, okay? And the very first type of tourism you're going to talk about will be honeypot tourism. So, let's put it here. Honeypot tourism. Now, in geography, okay, what is very, very important is that you know the key words. Okay? You may not know anything else, but as long as you know the keywords, you will get some marks. So, let's talk about this. Look at the word honeypot. Now, what do you think about the word honeypot? Who makes the honey? Which animals make the honey? And why is it called honeypot tourism? Now, when you have a honeypot, you know that there's a lot of bees that just get naturally attracted to the honeypot, right? So, using that logic, you can already guess that honeypot tourism involves a few things. Number one, firstly, there will be a large number of people traveling to these areas at the same time. All right, in geography, what do we call it? Mass tourism. Okay, next, can honeypot tourism occur anywhere? No, honeypot tourism can only occur in areas with natural landmarks. All right, what does that mean? So, if let's say you travel to Changi Airport, wow, a very beautiful airport, blah, blah, blah. Is that a natural landmark? No, it's man-made. Natural means no man touch it, it's already there. All right, so, next thing that you need to know is that honeypot tourism, because most of these places are generally famous. They are already very famous. So, what happens if they are already very famous? You do not need much promotion. Right? So, if you think about it, if let's say you're a leader of a country, right? You'll be so happy if there's so many natural landmarks, especially the really big famous ones. Because do you need to spend money, to do marketing? No. Everybody will just know about this place. Everybody will just go to this place naturally. All right? Now, what else that you need to know? Most important in geography is just because you know all these definitions, but then you don't know the example, that's very, very sad. You must know real life example. So, there are two examples that you will see. Now, you can use any examples that you have, okay? As long as they are generally very famous and very big. But the two examples that I'm going to share with you will be, let's put here as examples. All right, number one, we have the Grand Canyon, USA. Okay, and number two, we have Victoria Falls in Africa. Alright, so these are the two famous natural landmarks that we have. Okay, before we end this video, a few questions. So, if somebody goes to China and goes to the Great Wall of China, is that honeypot tourism? No. Generally, honeypot tourism refers to natural landmarks. Now, if you go to Malaysia and you go to a waterfall, but nobody knows much about the waterfall, is that honeypot tourism? Not really. Okay, so for your exams, the most important thing you must remember is that to play it safe, just say that honeypot tourism, it's about large number of people, natural landmarks, generally famous, and have at least two examples ready. Alright, see you again in our next video. We are going to talk about MICE tourism next. Bye!